Guys, my battery died on the remote, on BMW remote. So I've seen some videos like you put the screwdriver like somewhere like in here or there, and I was able to open it, but look, everything like completely broke off. Everything. So I don't know. This is my first time doing it. So I guess I'm gonna just glue it back once I remove and replace the battery. The battery is 2450, 3 volts, and it goes right here like this. So I have to order a battery like this and I will glue it back. So if this video was helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel.